Also, I myself got a Rubik's Cube, and I can actually solve it without looking at the algorithm, so yeah, solve it by hand. I'm not the fastest person in the world, but to prove to you that I can actually solve it, I'm gonna do it in this video right now. So first of all, I'm gonna scramble it up and not look, so I don't know what the hell I'm doing, so you don't know, so you can know that I'm not a cheater. I'm just gonna scramble it a little bit like this and that. I have no idea how it's going to look. It's probably good right here. Yeah, that looks absolutely freaking horrible. How should I solve this shit? Well, we'll just have to see. I got my timer here. We're gonna see how fast I am. Time starting right now. Fucking hell. I'm not sure if you can see this. Yeah, there. 2 minutes, 13 seconds and 75 parts of a second. Yeah, that's actually quicker than I anticipated, and it's completely solved, as you can see. That's amazing. I'm impressed by myself.